Hi there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make this farmhouse scroll. So follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this project for your home. To begin, I take my craft paper roll and I'm going to kind of measure things out to see how long I need to cut this craft paper. So I roll it out and take the bottom and kind of roll it up twice to get a feel of where I'm going to eventually glue the bottom of the scroll. I then take the templates that I've already printed out with the words and lay them out on top of the craft paper, and I lay them out how I envision them to be on the scroll. Once I have that kind of measured out, I then pull out some more craft paper from the top and kind of envision how much paper I'm going to need to roll it twice on top as well. You will then cut across the craft paper roll just so that you are using only the amount of paper that you actually need. You will then take that paper that you just cut and you will cut it in half. Take the bottom of your craft paper and you will roll it once and hot glue it to secure it. Make sure that you hold it for a little while and let it dry. And then you will do the same thing where you will roll it up once again and hot glue it. I did this a few times and you can do it as many times as you want. Just make sure that you are holding that paper roll while it dries. Don't let it go before that. I already have my templates printed out, so you'll want to make sure you do that first. And then you are going to cut off the excess paper on your printed words. And then you will tape them together, creating one big template that you will use on top of your scroll. Take your craft paper and lay it out. And then grab your Let's Stay Home template and put it on top of that craft paper. You're going to set it there so that you have an idea of where you are going to be rolling the top of the craft paper to. And then you're just going to continue the same steps that we did when we rolled the bottom of the scroll. So you will roll it up towards the bottom this time and hot glue it. And you might do this 2 or 3 times. Take your transfer graphite paper and you're going to lay it on top of your craft paper. And I actually taped mine down to the table just so I didn't move it as I was tracing. I then took the Let's Stay Home template and put it on top of that graphite paper and taped it down as well to that graphite paper so that it's not moving as I'm tracing it. Once you are all set up, you will then start tracing your template. And so you will take a pencil, and since these letters are more like bubble letters, or a little bit bigger, you're going to want to make sure that you trace both the inside and the outside of the letters. And just make sure you take your time and follow along the lines. And as you do this, you will be transferring your letters onto your craft paper. Once you finish tracing your letters, you will then lift up the graphite paper and you will see what transferred. And remember that you can always erase, you can connect letters, add what you need, make some changes just to clean it up. Next, you will take your black marker and you will start filling in your letters. And the trick to this is just slow and steady. follow the lines and just take your time. Try not to be in any rush. Next, you are going to grab some jute to use as your hanger, and you are going to hot glue the ends of the jute and stick them inside of the scroll, and then you can display your beautiful farmhouse scroll in your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.